Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the references tab of the Word. In this tab you can add list of figures, you can add captions. So starting with the table of contents. Now in the table of contents, if you added the used word styling menu from the home tab, you can easily add the table of contents. Okay, you can add text manually with the level 1 and 2, whichever you have used. You can insert a footnote, or you can also click on show footnote options. Okay, or you can, if you want to search the document, you can search the document. If you want to insert a citation, or you can, if you want to insert a reference, just click on add source, provide the details of the citation of the reference or the reference which you would like to add, and select the style which you want to use. You can also manage your references here. Next, bibliography, the format which you would like to use for adding references. This EndNote is basically used by me. It's an add-in for the Word to manage the citations and references. Insert captions. You can add captions for figure, okay, for table, or even for the equations. Later on, if you used these captions, you can simply add the list of figures, okay, list of figures, list of equations, or even the list of tables also. You can add insert, you can mark the citations also. Thank you.